Okay. கேசவராஜா, இது சேம் இதானே? நீங்க நேத்து அனுப்புன நைட் அனுப்புன ஒரு இதான லிங்க் தானே? கேசவராஜா,
சேம் லிங்க் சார், சேம் லிங்க்.
நேத்து நைட் அனுப்புனது தானே?
சேம் சேம்.
ஓகே ஓகே.
காலையிலேயே Can I?
Morning, sir.
Morning.
எல்லாம் தூங்கிட்டு இருக்கீங்க பசங்க எல்லாம். Okay. Let's start now. We can start now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning to everyone. Let me introduce our speaker on the cloud computing, Dr. Kesav Raja, an associate professor from Dr. Sivindhya College of Engineering, Tiruchendur, from India. Now he is going to talk on about the AWS cloud servicing. Okay, so I hand over Dr. Kesav Raja on behalf of Masa University, Faculty of Business, Finance, and Information Technology. I welcome you, Dr. Kesav Raja. Thank you.
Shall I start, sir?
Yes.
Very fine. Good morning. First of all, I would like to thank Faculty of Business, Finance, and Information Technology Department and the Masha University, Malaysia. Then I sincere thanks to Dean Sir and Deputy Dean Sir and all the HODs, especially Professor Nattar Kannan Sir. He's my faculty. So my sincere thanks to all. Then today's session, we start with AWS Cloud Computing Services. A very small agenda for the today's session. Very small agenda for webinar, 1 hour session. Starts with very small introduction on cloud computing. Then anyway, there is a major need. What is cloud? Why and why not cloud? Then cloud services. There are 3 major services which plays a vital role in cloud. So these services and major characteristics of cloud, deployment models and virtualization. So the 4 points, very small intro, just for 5 to 10 minutes for introduction about cloud computing. And then the first and foremost tool which plays a vital role in cloud computing, which will be termed as Oracle VirtualBox. So live demo on Oracle VirtualBox. Then Amazon, which provide variety of services for offering cloud service. Then some of the tools are EC2, the one of the compute tool, which will be Elastic Cloud tool, which provide operating system as a service, that is platform as a service. The second and foremost tool, which will be called as S3, which provide storage as a service. Then EFS, Elastic File System. So 3 major tools in AWS. The next tool, which will be called as Elastic Beanstalk, which provide web application as a service. Then Amazon relational databases, which provide MySQL as a service, Aurora DB as a service, SQL Server as a service, several set of DB as a service. So these are the very small agenda. Starts with intro, Oracle demo, and AWS demo. Starts with very small intro on cloud computing. So introduction to cloud computing. All are more familiar about the term cloud. So it's simply stated as cloud, which is equal to internet. So each and everything which provided via internet as a service, which will be called as cloud computing. So simply term cloud computing, which is equal to internet based computing. So any software, any operating system, any kind of hardware which provided as a service via internet, which will be called as cloud computing. More precisely, which provide all those information technology as a service and which adding efficiency to deploy your application. Billing is very easy. Based on your usage, it will be metered from you. So it's a very small intro on cloud computing. There is a picture. Normally everyone says a picture may worth 1,000 words. So the picture says several things. There is a very huge tree. With the help of the small saw, if you cut the tree, which will take 10 days, 20 days, and 30 days. So it will take more days. The picture. The small wood, then the saw is enough. If it's a tree, it's a large tree, then in that situation, a power cut saw is needed. So if you are performing smaller tasks, in that situation, you are having a PC, traditional servers in your university or organization, it's enough. So smaller work, saw is enough. Similar way, smaller work, your traditional server or normal computer is enough. If you are performing a larger task, then the efficient tool is needed, that is power cut saw. Similar way, the one of the efficient tool, which will be called as AWS, for managing larger amount of data, for providing excellent service to a user. So what is cloud? So cloud refers to which comprising of collection of servers. So collection of servers which connected over internet and provide software, database, and multimedia and animation, everything as a service. So which refers to collection of servers which connected via internet to access database as well as software as well as operating system. Normally, the collection of cloud server, which will be called as data centers. Collection of cloud server, which will be simply termed as data centers. So by using cloud computing, user or their companies or their organization don't have to manage any physical server. Directly rely on cloud services. So why and why not cloud? So anyway, which reduced the capital cost. The capital investment was reduced more, which improve accessibility, easy access, improve flexibility, which provide higher level backup and recovery. If your data lost, it having more number of replication, it provide immediately, it's provide more flexible. Anyway, there are numerous number of users, Amazon, Google, then each and every Rackspace, Salesforce, everything they are providing excellent cloud service. Anyway, there is a lag, little bit of technical issues still there. There are lots and lots of security bugs. Still there is attacks, lack of control. So still there is a bug in cloud. Cloud provide excellent service. So there are three services. The cloud which provide three major services. The first and foremost service, which will be called as infrastructure as a service. So simply termed as infrastructure as a service. So collection of servers are connected together, which provide a service. So your RAM, your memory, then your network, everything which provided as a service. If needed, you are installing your own operating system in the top of cloud infrastructure and then install the softwares and your applications, then you can execute it. So cloud only provide infrastructure as a service. In the top of that, you are installing operating system and then softwares. So it will be called as infrastructure as a service. Amazon, which provide infrastructure as a service. You are installing your own instance. Then second one, Rackspace. It's also provide infrastructure as a service. The second one, platform as a service. So second architecture, which will be called as platform as a service. So cloud infrastructure and platform. So hardware, in the top of that operating system, which will be installed. So combination of both hardware and software operating system, which will be called as platform. So the cloud which provide platform as a service, Google App Engine, Windows Azure, Microsoft Windows Azure. These are the service provider. They are providing platform as a service. The third one, which will be called as software as a service. So now the hardware, then operating system, in the top of that, the software, everything which combined together in a single pack, which provide a service, that will be called as ready-made pizza. So directly you are not cooking anything, directly you are ordering and getting your pizza. That will be called as software as a service. So everything ready, you are directly type the word or type the program and compile and execute. So hardware is ready, operating system is also ready, and top of that software is also ready. The combination of all those things is ready, ready-made pizza. So Salesforce, Gmail, which provide these kind of services. So there are three major services. First one, infrastructure as a service. Second one, platform as a service. Then third one, software as a service. So infrastructure as a service, the hardware provided as a service. Platform, hardware and operating system which provided as a service. Software, hardware, operating system and software which provided as a service. So software as a service. So Gmail, calculator, Google Docs, Google Excel. Platform as a service, the operating system, that is Ubuntu, then Mac, then something Windows, which provided as a service. Infrastructure as a service, the whole server, which provided as a service. So it's a layer. So infrastructure as a service, top of that platform as a service, top of that software as a service. So it's a layered architecture of cloud computing. The major characteristics of cloud, the 5 major characteristics which plays a vital role in cloud computing. The first and foremost characteristics, which will be called as on-demand service, based on user expectation, which provide a service. Second one, which will be called as ubiquitous network access, that is broad network access. So it collection of systems are connected in a wide area network, so which provide a ubiquitous network access. Location transparent resource pooling, rapid elasticity, one user request which provide a service, 100,000 lakhs and lakhs of user request, which elastic, that is which scale up, which provide a service. Then measured and meter service, so based on your usage only, cloud which request a pay from you. So based on usage, which request a pay. So it's a 5 major characteristics. So on-demand service based on customer expectation, which provide a service. Broad network access, collection of resources in standard networks. Resource pooling, providers computing resource which pooled in multiple servers. Then rapid elasticity, it's always elastic. It's expanded, depends on usage. Measured and meter service based on usage, which request amount. Then it's my request. So now we are entering into a new environment, practical environment, which will be called as cloud. So let us use cloud. Even cat can accept this. Anyway, a very fresh morning session. So I start with a small story of elephant and a blind man, then which merged with the cloud computing. So a story starts with elephant and a blind man. So once upon a time, there was an elephant in a village. One day, a villager said, any doubts, any queries?
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sound behind, so voice is shaky.
Yes, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Now it's audible.
Yes,
now
sir.
It's audible.
Okay. Yes, sir. Audible, but somebody talking behind.
Okay, I will mute everyone.
Okay.
Okay, now fine. Yeah, elephant and a blind man. If any queries, please raise your hand or type in chat window. If you have any queries. Yes, thank you. Yeah, starts with a very small story. So elephant and a blind man. So once upon a time, there was an elephant in a village. So there are 6 blind men also living in the same village. One day, a villager said there was an elephant in a village. So the 6 blind man is a blind man. So it's not possible to see the elephant. At least went there and touch and feel the elephant. So 6 blind men think that and then went there where the elephant was. The first blind man touching the part of the elephant and said, it's like a wall. He touching the part of the elephant and said, it's like a wall. Then second blind man touching the tusk of the elephant and said, it's like a spear. Then the third one touching the tail of the elephant and said, it's like a rope. The fourth blind man touching the leg of the elephant and said, it's like a tree. The fifth one touching the ear of the elephant and said, it's like a fan. Then the last blind man touching the trunk of the elephant and said, it's like a snake. So the first one says it's like a fan, it's like a spear, it's like a snake, it's like a tree, it's like a wall, it's like a snake. Sorry, it's like a rope. So the 6 blind men are argued with each other because each and everyone touch and feel. So which one is correct? Then anyway, the story continues. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a virtual data center. So dear participants, Zoom will be disconnected in 10 minutes. If it's disconnected, again connect in a same window in 2 seconds. Fine. Thank you. So what is cloud computing? So cloud computing is a virtual data center. Cloud computing is a virtual data center. Yeah, you're having collection of servers which connected together to form a virtual data center. Pay for computing as you use it. Yes. Based on your usage, it rent from you. Virtualized server. Yes, all the servers are virtualized. Storage on sky, the storage in cloud. Yes, computers on rent based on your usage, which is a rented computer. Automatically scalable and elastic computing resources. Yeah, if one user requests scale up, 2 users scale up, 100 users scale up, 1,000 users scale up, 1 lakh users scale up. So automatically scale up. If user reduces, automatically scale down. So based on user request, which provide a service. So there are 6 concepts: virtual data center, pay for computing as you use it, virtualized server, storage on sky, computers for rent, automatically scalable. The 6 blind ones. First one says it's like a sphere, it's like a snake, it's like a fan, it's like a tree, it's like a wall, it's like a rope. All these 6 concepts are combined together to form an elephant. Similar way, virtual data center, pay for computing as you use it, virtualized servers, storage in sky, computers for rent, automatically scalable. So based on all the 6 concepts are combined together to form a cloud computing. So cloud computing, it's not a single buzzword. It's a combination of 6 terms which provide an excellent service. Simply says, cloud computing, it's a technology to provide everything as a service. Cloud computing is a technology to provide everything as a service. Simply, which will be represented as IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Then next one, SaaS, software as a service. PaaS, platform as a service. Then now XaaS, anything or everything as a service. So you will provide multimedia as a service, video as a service, data as a service, infrastructure as a service, information as a service, text as a service, anything or everything as a service via cloud computing. So to provide anything or everything as a service, technology to provide everything as a service. So just a very small question. Every morning, what do you read? So every morning,
Newspaper.
everyone reads. Yeah, every morning, what do you read? Automatically, everyone says, yes, thanks. Everyone says that is a newspaper. So DT next. So the newspaper which provided as a service, which will be via utility service. The newspaper which prepared via utility computing. The same newspaper which provided as a service via internet. The same newspaper which provided as a service via internet, which will be called as cloud computing. So yes, that's a e-newspaper. It's a cloud. So cloud computing is a technology to provide anything or everything as a service. Now newspaper as a service via cloud computing. Newspaper as a service which provided via cloud computing. Yeah, cloud computing. Computers can fly now. So just a small fun word. So deployment models. The cloud which comprising of 3 major deployment models. The first one which will be called as private cloud. Second one which will be called as public cloud. So as a name itself, private cloud. So using within your organization. So organization pay for your server, shared resources within your organization. So the security is more, but the cost is high. Public cloud, use internet, pay per use, shared resource with everyone. So In that situation, public cloud, in that public cloud, the security is less, but cost is low. So, which provide less security, okay. Then, so private cloud, which within organization, then public cloud, then which provide a service via internet. So in private cloud, so security is low, but cost is high. But sorry, security is high and cost is high. Public cloud security is low, cost is low. So now our theme is security is high and cost is low. Everyone expect the same. So there is a new technology which will be called as hybrid cloud, which is a combination of both private as well as public cloud. So private cloud, for the security data, you use private cloud. All other data you are using public cloud. So the deployment model, there are three important deployment model. First one private cloud, second one public cloud. The combination of both the things which will be called as hybrid cloud. It's a three important thing which plays a vital role. The advantages of cloud, then we are entering into the major advantages of cloud computing. So starts with cloud, cloud services, and then deployment models. Any queries, any doubts? Is it audible? Everything clear? Please use chat window. Audible? Yeah, thanks. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, my Zoom will be disconnected in 3 minutes. Zoom will be disconnected in 3 minutes. The same link, same user ID as well as same password, you will connect again. If it's disconnected, the same user ID as well as same password, the same link, you will connect again. So 2 minutes it will be disconnected because the demo version, so only 40 minutes is permitted. So it will be disconnected in 2 minutes. You will connect again in the same link, same user ID as well as same password. Now you are entering into the advantages of cloud computing. The advantages of cloud computing, the very simple term which will be called as, if you need milk, why buy a cow? If you need a word processor, why you buy a computer and then operating system and then a word processing software? If you need milk, directly you enter into supermarket and then purchase a milk. None of them went to a cow market and then purchase a cow and then make everything, at last get a fresh milk. It get a quality milk. I am 100% agreed with that. But if you need milk, directly entering into supermarket and purchase a milk, it will be a current trend. So similar way, a software industry also entering into the same domain based on your request, which provide a service. If you need mail as a service, which provide mail as a service. If you need something, data as a service, directly which will provide data as a service. If you need video as a service, which will provide directly video as a service, without the need of installing hardware, installing operating system, installing software, automatically which provide everything. So based on that, there are 4 major advantages of cloud which plays a vital role. The first and foremost advantage, scalability. If one user request which provide a service, if 10 user request which provide a service, if 100 user request which provide a service, if 1 lakh user request which provide a service, cloud automatically scale up and provide a service. If user reduces, which automatically scale down and provide a service. So based on user request which provide a service. So scalability is the first thing. The second advantage, so that is accessible anytime. So there is a timeline. So if first month you are requesting 1 server for processing your data, the second month you need 2 servers, third month again 1, fourth month 1, fifth month you need 6 servers for testing your data, then next for 2 servers. So think the situation for purchasing these amount of servers which need more cost. But in cloud, you are renting a computer, infrastructure as a service. You are renting a computer via cloud computing. Next session, we will discuss in same thing in live demo. So cloud operating system is another most important advantage, which provide operating system as a service via internet. Then last one, pay for computing as you use it. So based on your usage, first month you are paying $10, second month $20, third month $10, 4th month $10